In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just want a quick, reliable way to total up values, this walkthrough will take you from a blank page to a clear column sum in just a few clicks, with tips to keep everything neat and accurate. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and signing in. From your workspace, create a new page by clicking New Page. Give the page a simple, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. I'll name mine Sum for clarity. Next, we'll set up the data source. Add a table to the page and make sure you're using the table view so you can work with rows and columns in a familiar spreadsheet-style layout. If you see other view options, choose the one labeled Table so the interface matches what we're doing here. Before you enter any numbers, set up your columns. Give your columns clear names so you know what each one is tracking. Then click Add Property to create the column that will hold your values. From the property types, select Number. This is important. Choosing Number tells Notion to treat entries as numeric values rather than plain text, which is what enables calculations. Now enter your numbers in that number column. You can use whole numbers or decimals, and if you prefer, you can later format the column for currency or percentages. Keep each value on its own row so Notion can handle the math correctly. Once your values are in, look to the bottom of that number column. Click Number to open the calculation controls for that column. Then click Calculate to reveal the calculation menu. Click More Options to see the full list of available calculations. Finally, click Sum and you will see the result appear at the bottom of the column. Notion will instantly total all the numeric values in that column, and the sum will update automatically whenever you add, edit, or remove rows. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. If a cell in the number column is blank, Notion simply ignores it in the total, so you don't need placeholder zeros. If you ever notice the sum isn't what you expect, double-check that every value is in a number-type column and not stored as text. And that's it. You opened Notion, created a page, added a table in Table View, created a number property, entered your values, and used Calculate, More Options, and Sum to display the total. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Notion.